Sweetened condensed pie, pecan pie. Take one. All right. Guys, first off, we have 1.5 cups of pecans here. I'm going to slip them in the oven and toast them at 350 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. So let's get them in there. All right. Now, we're going to mix the rest of it while that is doing. Alexa, set an alarm for 3 minutes.
Alarm set for 3 minutes from now.
All right. We're going to put in, since it's sweetened condensed pecan pie, we're putting in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk.
Well, that makes sense, wouldn't it?
I would think. And guys, I'm using the off-brand this time because prices are so high. Cut it where you can.
Look at all the crap that we've been doing, guys.
Crafting. I thought you said all the crap we've been doing. Crafting.
Crafting.
Yeah. We made the
snowman, Christmas trees.
And then that little snowman. We've been busy. All right. Speaking of crafts, I have this right here. This is a little phone pillow. You put your phone in there, the phone holder, that Linda from church made and gave me. And she gave Billy one that said, it's red and white, says ho, ho, ho on it. I use this while I'm sitting there crocheting. Put my phone there, put my headphones in. Okay. So now we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar going in. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to go ahead and slip in some vanilla.
Yeah, why not?
We're going to do it all right now. And we're going to put in, 1, 2 teaspoons and measure with your heart. And I have a big heart, so sometimes I overpour. So mix that up a little bit. Then we're going to put in a couple eggs.
Because, why not?
We've got to have something in there. 1. Alexa, stop. And I'm going to put in 2. All right. So now I'm going to pause right here for a second, and I'm going to stir around those pecans and put them in for another 5 or 6 minutes, and we'll be right back.
Hey, before we go, let me show you something. This is what we've been doing. We made us a coffee bar over here. Put all those cabinets in, made that countertop. Miss Connie painted all the cabinets. Looking pretty cool.
All right, I got the nuts out of the oven. They was in there about 6 minutes. And I have, now back to the ingredients, I have a 1/4 cup of melted butter that we're putting in. You right like that?
Just like that, huh?
Right like that. And then I had 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, minus what I spilled on the table. So, Alexa, stop. So now we're just going to stir this all up. You can use a whisk, you can whatever you want. I beat the eggs before I put them in here, so. And now we're going to put in the nuts.
Did you beat them because they went bad?
Because they were bad. Reminded me of you. Ooh,
Hey.
those smell good.
I'm not bad.
So we're just going to stir these all up together. And I have a 9-inch baking dish here with a pie shell in it. You can make your own. You can use store-bought, whatever you want.
So no K-Row or nothing like
You
normal.
got the sweetened condensed milk in it. So that's taking care of all that sugar and
I bet
everything.
that's going to be good.
All right. So we're going to pour this in. And we got the oven already set at 350. And we're going to bake it for 40 to 50 minutes. And I'm sure Billy will be biting at the bit. Like, oh, that smells so good.
Now, does that mean I have to eat that whole pie today?
Well, I'll probably cut it into 2 pieces. One for me, a small one, and then 3/4 for you. Yes. And you got some whipped cream.
Wait, you don't like pecan pie, right?
Yeah, I do. All right, so we're gonna stick this in the oven. And guys, one more thing. If you go to Buc-ee's travel stop, Buc-ee's convenience store, whatever they call them, gas station, and they have the beaver nuggets in the bags. I bought some of those one time. I was like, these are pretty good. But if you have a Rural King, look. Rural King has their version of them, and they have a whole lot more caramel in them, and they're good. $3.99. If you like that kind of stuff, which I shouldn't like that kind of stuff.
No, you shouldn't.
I love them. So, at least I didn't eat the whole bag, and I made 2 servings of them.
What if we come up with a recipe to use those for?
Of course. He wants to get rid of them instead of me sitting there eating the rest of that bag, probably.
No, I'm just thinking, wouldn't that be cool?
All right.
Something different.
Something different. He'll think of something. All right, guys. We're going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees, 40 to 50 minutes. We'll be right back and show you.
And I want to kiss you, baby, don't say no.
All right, guys. It was in my oven at 45 minutes. Here's what it looks like. And Billy's like, that smells so good.
It does.
And while he was singing, as you see, I snuck a little peek on his video. Videoed him a little bit. All right, so we're going to let this cool a little bit, and we'll be back for a taste test. All right, guys, you know us. The pie is still warm, but we can't wait. So here's what we looking like. If you can see it.
It looks good. Smells good.
Here we go. I'm not afraid to taste pecan pie.
Me either.
It's the chocolate pie that I'm not a big person.
Oh, I'm not afraid to try that either.
I know. And it was good, though. If you guys haven't seen that chocolate pie video, go back and watch that one, because that's delicious.
And guys, tell her to make me a chocolate silk pie.
Yeah, he's been after a chocolate silk pie. So we might have to do that. But here we go.
Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy, tummy, tummy.
Good. Yep.
I mean, how can it be bad? All that stuff's in it.
Billy
good.
said he's going to get some ice cream and get his. But I think it'll be better even after it sits when it gets cool.
Oh, I'm sure it will. Completely cool.
There's plenty of sweetener in it. Like that sweetened condensed milk, and then a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. That's plenty. It's delicious.
Oh, it's got to be way sweet.
And then put some whipped cream on that or something.
Or ice cream.
He's wanting ice cream.
Some vivid vanilla.
He likes the Kroger Vividly Vanilla.
Yeah, that's good. I don't know why, but...
And they changed it's not called Vividly Vanilla now. I think it's called 1883 Vanilla.
Yeah, I think something like that.
They changed the name and stuff on it. So, all right, guys. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching.
And don't forget to hype.
And don't forget to hype. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators. Stay out of the snow.